Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this tasty and easy meatloaf. So I've collaborated with two other YouTubers once again. HUSNA Laltia will be making mincemeat pizza without using cheese, and Corriander will be making pizza pockets. If you haven't subscribed to their YouTube channels, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of their videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need about half a teaspoon of black pepper, some salt to taste, 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, a half a kg of mincemeat, 1 large egg, 1 slice of onion, a handful of coriander leaves, a half a cup of normal milk, and lastly some green bell pepper. In a medium-large bowl, you're going to add all the ingredients mentioned in the beginning. Add the mincemeat, 1 egg, ginger garlic paste, onions, coriander, green bell pepper, black pepper, some salts, and some breadcrumbs, and mix everything well. Lastly, I'm going to add some milk. Pour a bit by a bit while mixing till everything is nicely combined. As you can see in the video, I've only used a third cup of milk. I didn't complete the whole milk. And our mincemeat is ready and it's high time to bake it. At this point, you can use a foil paper or you can use a baking pan. If you're going to use a baking pan, make sure you grease it before adding the mincemeat. Then afterwards, you're going to shape your mincemeat in a bread form shape as you can see in the video. When you're done shaping your mincemeat, then afterwards you're going to wrap your mincemeat as you can see in the video. Then afterwards, we're going to bake our meatloaf in the oven. Place your meatloaf in a preheated oven and bake it at 170 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. After 1 hour, my meatloaf is ready as you can see in the video. I'm going to unwrap it so you can be able to see how nicely baked the meatloaf looks. It's nicely baked and it's high time to make the meatloaf sauce. In a medium small pot, you're going to add a third cup of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, some salt to taste, and squeeze 1 lime. Then cook the sauce on a medium heat and stir constantly till the sauce becomes thick. When the sauce is thick like this, then your meatloaf sauce is ready and remove it from the fire. Then afterwards, pour the sauce on top of the meatloaf as you can see in the video. Then place it back in the oven and bake it at 170 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, our meatloaf is ready as you can see in the video. Then serve on a plate. Like this meatloaf, it's so tasty. I'm going to cut the meatloaf into slices so you can be able to see how nicely baked and juicy the meatloaf looks. Like this meatloaf, it's so tasty, and enjoy your meatloaf. Serve your meatloaf with some mashed potatoes, fries or sandwich and enjoy your meatloaf with a cold drink. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. Please don't forget to watch mincemeat pizza from HUSNA Laltia and pizza pocket from Corriander. I'll put the links in the description box so you can be able to see these two types of recipes And please kindly don't forget to subscribe to their YouTube channels so you don't get to miss any of their videos each and every week. And see you next time. Bye bye.